Union Minister Hardeep Singh Puri has said that India offers an investment opportunity of at least 100 billion by 2030. This was said while addressing the event Urja Varta 2024 at Bharat Mandapam. The minister said that despite progress in exploration, the potential still lies untapped in India's 26 sedimentary basins. He said that currently only around 10% of India's sedimentary basin is under exploration, and this number is bound to increase to 21% very soon. My colleague Mehendi Garg with us on the broadcast. Mehendi, if you can take our viewers through the details of what is it that Hardeep Puri is now promising?
Well, Devika, big announcements have been made by the Union Minister Hardeep Singh Puri, in which he has said that India offers an investment opportunity of at least 100 billion by 2030 in the exploration and production of energy. Devika, this is a very big announcement by the Union Minister, as he has also mentioned that despite the progress in exploration, the potential still lies untapped within India's 26 sedimentary basins. And the Minister, when addressing an event in the Urja Varta 2024 at Bharat Mandapam, has, this event has also provided a platform for thoughtful discussions on how to increase exploration and production in India. So the minister has also added that right now, only 10% of India's sedimentary basin is under exploration. However, it will soon increase to 16%, which is a very huge increase from 10 to 16%. Directly, it will raise up to 6%. And only, the minister has also said that the award of the blocks under the forthcoming event, when it rounds, it will increase to 16% by 2024. And he also stated, Devika, that during the global turmoil, the oil prices would have shot up to very high if India had not changed its oil supplier. And also on using scientific technology in the exploration, the minister has said that the government is spending heavily on promoting scientific data-driven exploration, and an investment of rupees 7,500 crore is going into the acquisition of the new data. And the minister has also added that the government intends to increase India's exploration average to 1 million square kilometers by 2030. And, while addressing that event, if we talk about the event, then the two-day event under the theme of Collaborate, Innovate and Synergize, this features insightful sessions and exhibition and unparalleled networking opportunity. So the event was also aiming to shape the future of hydrocarbon exploration and production and fostering a resilient, collaborative and sustainable energy sector, in which Union Minister Hardeep Singh Puri made these announcements, and which is a very good thing for India in terms of these technologies and how the hydrocarbon exploration will happen. Yes, David.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.